Right now we're looking at the U.S. futures pointed higher, and overseas in Europe we're also seeing a boost for markets there. On a Turkish rate boost, we're going to check in now with Jonathan Browdy in the Deals London newsroom. He's got more for us. Jonathan?
Yeah, good morning, John. It's pouring with rain here, but there were some sunny smiles earlier this morning when people heard about the Turkish interest rate rise from last night. They more than doubled their benchmark rate, which pushed everybody's hopes up. The emerging markets currencies went up with it. But by the end of the morning, people had begun to realize that the sugar rush from Turkish Delight eating isn't necessarily long-lasting. Most of the markets have fallen again this morning. Paris is actually even in negative territory. So we wait and see now what the Fed says later tonight. Will they taper by $10 billion as expected, or will they do something different? People are still very wary of what the US is going to do. The London market was led up this morning by the miners, the Anglo-American, which announced much better than last year's numbers for its iron ore mining after 2012 strikes, and the other miner, Antofagasta, which also went up this morning on higher copper production. But the retailer Sainsbury, one of the big four supermarket chains, has lost nearly 3% this morning on the news that its CEO of 10 years, Justin King, is standing down in the summer. He's being replaced by his commercial director, Mike Coop. But, he's had a 10-year run of very good results. Last quarter, unfortunately, none of the supermarkets did very well. They all had poorer results than expected, and Sainsbury's was no different, so he's not leaving on a high. The wider picture, Hong Kong, the Hang Seng Index is closed up 0.82% at 22,141.61. It would have been a lot better, but the Hong Kong Electric IPO, that's a utility company owned by Hong Kong's Asia's richest man, Li Ka-shing, priced at the bottom of its range and then sank on the opening and didn't recover during the day. So that's been bad news for Hong Kong Electric. In Japan, however, the boost to the emerging markets from the Turkish and Indian rate rises overnight made a huge difference. Tokyo closed up at 2.7% at 15,383. That's largely because when currencies flow into the yen, making that stronger, financial markets could go to the yen, making that stronger. It brings down the cost of exports, makes the index stronger. So Tokyo closed up at 2.7%, 15,383.91. That's all from me in London. Back to you, John, in New York.
Thank you very much, Jonathan Browdy, reporting from the Deals London newsroom. Also, one quick bit of breaking news coming out right now. Dow Chemical reporting earnings of 65 cents a share against estimates of 43 cents a share, plus topping your revenue estimates. That's it for us at the NASDAQ market site. For The Street, I'm John Marino.